Hello everyone, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. So in this wash day video, I am going to be using the Pantene products, the Gold series. So if you're interested in my results and what I think of it, then keep watching because I'm going to get started with that right now. So I am starting out on hair that I pre-detangled the night before. You all know my new routine that I do. I will detangle my hair that night before and put some conditioner, deep conditioner on my ends. So that's what I did. So all I'm doing now is just taking my plaits out so that I can get ready to wash my hair. And I am going to be washing my hair in 2 sections instead of 4. Also, you all, I forgot to make mention throughout this video, my lighting is going to change. I did not realize that I had my camera on the wrong setting, so my lighting did keep changing, so I do apologize because it's going to keep going from dark to light and back and forth. So please overlook that because like I said, I did not realize it until after I was done completely filming in the shower. Now I am going to make sure that I wet my hair real good because I am starting out on a 2-week-old style. I was lazy and did not want to wash my hair that last week, so it has been 2 weeks, and this hairstyle was a flat braid out that I did. If you hadn't seen that video, I'll link it up in the cards. But I did a flat braid out, and then when it was time for me to wash my hair, I got lazy, and then so all I did was re-moisturize it, and I turned that flat braid out into a flat twist out. So my hair is in definite need of some moisture, so I'm just getting it as wet as possible before I go in with this shampoo. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Moisture Boost shampoo from the Pantene Gold series line. This stuff was very creamy, and you guys, I have to say that a little bit of this goes a long way. This was my very first time trying these products, and you actually do not need a lot of shampoo to get a good suds. So I always shampoo my hair twice, and yeah, both times I use too much. So you actually only need a little bit of this, and it does smell really good to me. This line is for dry, damaged hair. My hair is not damaged, but it was extremely dry. Like I said, I didn't wash my hair for 2 weeks, so I was trying to get in all the moisture that I needed, and because this is supposed to be very moisturizing, I decided to give it a try. Now, as far as this shampoo, it does say on the back that it removes product buildup, so I usually consider that to be clarifying shampoos. The very first shampoo that I did, it did not strip my hair. My hair was feeling moisturized, but when I went back in that second time to shampoo my hair, yeah, this strips the hair, so it does remove product buildup. But it didn't strip my hair as much as other clarifying shampoos that I have used, like the one that I used from Shea Moisture. It didn't strip my hair as much as that one, and it was still a little moisturized, but just not as moisturized as when I used it the very first wash. But overall, I did enjoy using the shampoo, and I was able to detangle pretty decently. I don't usually finger detangle, but I was trying to do more finger detangling in my shower this time. Well, when I washed my hair this time. But yeah, it did do a decent job. Had a decent slip so that I could finger detangle a little bit. But overall, I did like the shampoo, and I will continue to use it. And you all, for this to be a shampoo, it really had my curls popping, and you will see in the upcoming scene, I'm going to show you my hair how it looks with the shampoo on it. And you guys, like, it really had my curls forming, and I was so surprised because I don't really get shampoos that do that. So all I'm going to do is finish washing my hair. I'm going to rinse the water out, and then I'm going to go in with my second wash, and then I will be back. Okay, you all, so now that I am done washing, this is what my hair is looking like after those 2 washes. Like I said, after I used it the second time, it was a little stripping, but not too much, and the curls are definitely looking good. So all I'm going to do now is take this section and part it back into 2. That way when I get ready to deep condition, my hair will already be in the 4 sections. And then all I'm going to do is take the other 2 sides down, do the same exact things to those. I'm just going to wash them twice, and then I am going to put those back up, part those back into the 2 sections. That way I can go in with my deep conditioner. Okay, so now I am done shampooing my hair, and I'm getting ready to go in with the repairing mask, and it's for deep moisturization to replenish and help restore hair health. Now this is very lightweight, I have to say, compared to a lot of deep conditioners that I use. This is very lightweight, so I was a little skeptical about that, but it is creamy, and I have to say, you guys, it did the job. Like, my hair was super moisturized when I got finished using this stuff, and I was in love. As a matter of fact, I did end up using too much, and I kind of over moisturized my hair, to be honest with you guys. Because since I hadn't washed my hair for 2 weeks, I did put a generous amount, and I did sit up underneath my hooded dryer a little bit longer than I usually do. So my hair was over moisturized, but thank God I have healthy hair and it was able to bounce back in a day. So yeah, if you try this, please be careful and don't make the mistake that I did, because on the back it does say that this is water activated to allow deep penetration, and it helps restore strength and manageability of all hair types. So once it infuses with that water, then I guess there's must be something in it that causes it to what's the word I'm looking for? That causes it to start working or activate the ingredients or the products that's in it. And it also tells you do not let water get into the container because of the fact it's water activated. So if you get any water in the container while you're doing your deep conditioning, just make sure you get the water out before you go to store your products. But other than that, this stuff right here was very, very, very moisturizing. I have to say, this has to be up there with my Miche deep conditioner. Their Indulge deep conditioner. This is right up there with that, you guys. I love this deep conditioner. And I will continue to use it, except the next time I will make sure that I do not over moisturize my hair with this product. So all I'm going to do is put this repairing mask on all 4 sections of my hair. Once I get it in, of course, on each section, then I'm going to go in with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling hairbrush to make sure that I get the product all the way through and get the tangles out. And then once I get finished with all 4 sections, I'm just going to sit it up underneath my hooded dryer, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I am back and I am done with my deep conditioning, and I am going to show you what my hair is looking like. And I have to say, it's looking very good, very moisturized. So all I'm going to do now is just rinse this out of all 4 sections, and then of course once I get done, I'm going to part my hair back into 2 on both sides. That way I can get ready for my leave-in conditioner. Okay, so now I am going in with the leave-on detangling milk, and this was also lightweight compared to other leave-ins that I've tried. But you guys, it was very, very good at detangling. It had awesome slip on it, so I was able to finger detangle, and you'll see in the upcoming clips that this stuff goes right through the hair. It's very creamy as well too, so that was a plus. Awesome slip, smelled good, and I was able to finger detangle with a breeze, and it was awesome. I have to say, it was awesome. The moisturizing milk was also moisturizing. Well, the leave-on detangling milk was also moisturizing. but I don't know, it just didn't seem as moisturizing as some of my other leave-ins that I've tried. But what I liked best about it was the slip. I was able to detangle very easily, so that was a plus. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and put this detangling milk on all 4 of my sections, work it in really good, and then I will be back at the end. Another thing I like about these products, you guys, is these 3 products all together were under $20. So I did a complete wash day with under $20 products, which is awesome because you all know that to get some good products, you're usually paying anywhere between $8 to $10 or $12 just for one product. All of these products were under $10, so I think I paid about $5 to $3 for each product. After taxes, my total only came to about, I think it was about $15 to $18, I believe it was. So 3 products for that price, it was awesome. So if you're looking for some good wash day products but you don't want to spend a lot of money, give these a try. I did order mine off of Amazon, so if I remember, I will make sure I put those links down in the description box below. But overall, out of all of these products, between the shampoo, the repairing mask, and the leave-in milk, I like the repairing mask the best. That was my favorite. I will continue to buy this repairing mask. This is awesome. That repairing mask will be awesome to use when your hair is super duper dry. Like me, wait 2 weeks to wash your hair and then your hair get dry. This right here will put the moisture back in it for sure. Okay, you all, so all I am doing now is finishing up this last section, and I am about to be done with my wash day. I have to say this was a pretty fast wash day. Washing my hair in 2 sections versus 4 made it go a little bit faster, and then I was also able to take those 2 sections and easily just part them to put them back up into 4s for my deep conditioner and my leave-in. But overall, I love these products. I will continue to use them, and I will definitely make sure that I am replenishing this repairing mask. This is going to be one of my favorites. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you give these products a try, let me know down in the comment section below, or if you've already tried them, let me know what you thought about them. And that's all I have for this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of the Curry crew. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you already know, give it a thumbs up anyways. And until my next upload, you all have a wonderful day. Bye.